What's going on, guys? It's Techie here with another video. Today we're talking about Wuthering waves and just the amount of depth that they have in their combat. There's a channel called I Win to Lose, and they released a video talking about a quick swap or an animation type canceling guide on how to maximize your damage. It's absolutely insane. I'll link it down in the description below, but this just goes to show that this game has so much more depth than what we thought previously. If you guys didn't know, I made a video about elemental reactions and why they are not needed in Wuthering waves. You guys can check that out right here. But in that video, I was talking about how there's depth in other ways in this game that it does not need elemental reactions in order to have a good experience within their combat system. But then this new tech just blew it out of the water. There's a few clips of me attempting it, which I will show you here. As we know, like, we can cancel abilities, or rather abilities can still be on field when you're using certain characters, and this also works for the echoes in a sense as well. The echoes will still be on field if you swap off, but there's certain attacks that have longer animations that can't be canceled unless like you dodge or something like that, or jump. But since that character is still on screen, you're able to switch into a different character, and that character you just switched from will still be on screen. You'll be able to attack this new person and then swap back before that animation ends. And like, even talking about it is like so much, but this is just a really cool thing that you guys can do in a game, and it's just going to increase, one, the potential of your characters, two, the potential of the community playing those characters, and three, just the overall combat experience that we have in this game. It's just like the skill ceiling is getting higher. Like, of course this game is still, you know, for casual audience. If you want to play just a very basic way of playing, you can do that and it is still rewarding. However, if you do want to get into the more sweaty, more meta type of techniques, that is also here in this game as well. I've been trying it myself just a little bit. I'm almost there. I'm getting the swap back, which is not too bad, but eventually I do want to be able to swap, and like all very fast. Like, oh, it's going to be so amazing. And this also helps with energy regeneration, I believe, as well, because you're using characters very fast. I'm not too sure how that works exactly, but it's absolutely insane. And oh my, I'm really excited for the future of this game. I'm really excited to see what some of the PGR OGs end up doing with this tech, because I know there's some absolutely insane people out there from the PGR community that moved over into Wuthering waves, and they're gonna jump on this immediately. So I guess this is more of just like a PSA that like this tech does exist. If you want to know more about it, I linked the video down in the description below. And yes, please guys, I'm on Twitter at Wuwatopi, WUWATOPI. If you guys end up doing this, please tag me so that I can see it, because I want to learn as much about this as possible, and I also want to see how fast you guys can jump onto it, and how fast you guys are able to do this tag. Much shorter video. It was just me yapping a little bit, but it was just something that I'm very excited about, and I wanted to get it out there. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Techie. I will be doing stuff like this in the future, so if you want to see me progress and get better at this game, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Techie out.